Features like regenerative braking, instant torque, and advanced safety systems are changing what we expect from our vehicles. And, with concerns about climate change and air quality, more drivers are thinking about their carbon footprint. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are leading this wave of innovation. They're not just about saving gas, they're about reimagining what a car can be. From sleek city commuters to powerful SUVs, there's an electric option for almost everyone. So, what's right for you? It's not just about color or style, it's about how a car fits into your life, your commute, your weekend plans, your budget, and your values. The choice is more personal than ever. Think about your daily drive, your budget, and what you want from your car. Do you need long range for road trips, or is a quick city commute more your speed? Are you looking to save money on fuel, or do you crave the latest tech features? Do you love the roar of a gas engine, or the silent rush of an electric motor? Maybe you're somewhere in between, curious, but not quite ready to make the leap. We'll break down the pros and cons of both. No fluff, just the facts. From maintenance and running costs to performance and environmental impact, we'll help you make sense of it all. The future of driving is here, and it's time to choose your side. Whether you're loyal to the classics or ready to embrace the new, there's never been a more exciting time to be a car lover. Let's dive in and explore what's next for the road ahead. Let's talk about the environment, one of the most important topics of our time. Our cities, our air, and our health all depend on the choices we make today. And when it comes to transportation, electric cars are leading the charge for a cleaner, greener future. This is where electric cars really shine. Unlike traditional vehicles, they glide through city streets almost silently, without leaving a trail of pollution behind. Gas cars burn fuel and pump out exhaust, filling the air with carbon dioxide and other pollutants. Every time you see a traffic jam, think about all those engines running, releasing harmful gases that contribute to smog, respiratory problems, and global warming.